Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we have a beautiful new collection of Madam Glam gel polishes, and every month this year they're doing like a destination inspiration. So every month we go to a different destination for what inspired the polishes, the colors. And this month, Ginger with Chels and Gems Nails and I both got the polishes before we got the insert for what they were, and we decided we wanted to guess where we were going. And I guessed Hawaii and she guessed Miami. So like completely opposite ends of the earth for us. And we were both wrong, but we're gonna go ahead and take a look at these polishes. And they are like the mid-month from May. They are a little milky colored, so that's kind of cool. There's different things you can do with that, and I'm going to do a seascape. When I first saw what the polishes were, I thought, oh, I feel beachy. I'm feeling like a beach. So I wanted to go ahead and try to do something kind of beach inspired for these. And the destination is actually San Francisco. So we were, neither one of us, oh, I was closer. I was closer, I win. I win the game. The lame game. But these colors are really pretty. And we have Oceanside, Salty Foam, Surf and Skate, Aquaholic, Playa, Shaka. So that is like a clue for me. That's why I said Hawaii, just because isn't Shaka what they call Santa in Hawaii? Anyway, and Purple Haze. There's one more color. There are 8 in this collection, and I only got 7. I don't know what happened to the other one. I emailed, but I didn't hear back, so we're gonna carry on without it. I actually did really want that one after I saw what they were, because that was gonna help with my beachy scene, and it looked like a pearly, more like beige white color. I can't remember what the name of it was now. Sandcastle or Sandy Beach or something like that. I don't know. Anyway, that's okay. We'll carry on without it. I did already do a mani on my mother-in-law. She came the other day and she wanted just something really subtle, and she just wanted a little silver cross on it. I'll put the picture here. And of course I used Madam Glam's Silver Chrome, the art gel. I love that stuff. I use it all the time. Okay, I do have a 30% off code. It's Skyline30. You're welcome to use that. I'd appreciate it if you follow my link down below. Even if you're a VIP and you decide to go shop for some of these, if you'd use my link, I'd appreciate it. If you are a VIP member, you do get early access and 50% free shipping all the time from Madam Glam. Now, they have been really good about running some 50% off sales for everyone every few months. So that is awesome, and I know everyone appreciates that, and I'll let you know as soon as that happens. All right, let's swatch these. First up, we have Salty Foam. I thought it was more blue, but as I swatch, it is definitely more of a light purple. I don't know, it kind of borders blue, purple. As you can see, it's pretty sheer. And on the first coat, I noticed with all of these, they were maybe just a little patchy, but part of that is these swatch sticks. They're kind of weird to swatch on, but I just really think they're pretty, and I love them with all my swatch sticks being these stiletto nails. But they definitely even out and level out as they sit. So I painted a coat and let them sit and then cured them. Let them just sit while I was painting the rest of them. and then I cured them all together. There's Purple Haze, and you can see they are a little sheer. They are meant to be a milky color. And you'll see in my artwork, I just used a white base, and my mother-in-law's nails, they were 3 coats, and they weren't very thick coats, and it was completely opaque. But these are so buildable. You can use other things to build it with. They're all gorgeous. Those two, Aquaholic and Surf and Skate, such pretty colors. Shake It is a little more pink leaning, and then Playa is definitely more peachy. These are all 1 coat. And I'm sorry, I don't know why my camera keeps fading in and out of focus. I think I have it like my camera is zoomed in just a little bit. Not enough, because I think it's my name down there that keeps messing up the focus. There is 2 coats of Oceanside, and see, it looked more blue. And Purple Haze. Just barely. You'll see here when I get done swatching all of them and top coating them what they look like. And Surf and Skate. I love this. It's so pretty. Of course, they are all vegan, cruelty-free, 21 free, HEMA-free, and palm oil-free. Another thing I just love about Madam Glam. I did do a full 60-second cure on these, but they didn't really need 60. Aquaholic, 2 coats. Again, with the focus. Is that Shaka or Shaka? Shaka Shaka? Shaka Khan. Is she from San Francisco? I don't know. Not streaky at all once you get 2 coats. I mean, you could tell on the first coat there, after they set, they leveled out. And that one's 2 coats. And now I'm going to top coat all of them. Here are all the colors side by side. As you can see, 2 coats, they're all still just a little bit sheer. But I mean, that's kind of the look right now. But we have Salty Foam. It is, you know, it's almost a violet leaning blue. Oceanside, definitely blue. Purple Haze, absolutely purple. Surf and Skate and Aquaholic are definitely aqua green colors. Gorgeous. Shaka. Shaka. Pretty sure that's Hawaiian for Santa again. I don't know. And Playa is a deeper peach color. This one is almost pink. They're beautiful. Beautiful. And like I say, don't have Beachside, Oceanside. What was the name of that one? I don't know. Anyway, I don't have the white, but that's okay. We're going to do a little artwork anyway. I started with Thailand, this white rubber base. First I was going to use India, and then I realized this is not in stock. I really like this. It may be back in stock by now, but that's what I have on my nails. But doing it on my hands is a little harder than doing it on tips. With Aquaholic, I'm going to put just like some water. I want the darker to come down a little bit. And Surf and Skate is the lighter blue. Oh, that's way too much. So I am going to get some of that off. I don't know what I was thinking there. And then we shake us. Since I don't have the other white, I think this will look good. A little pinky beach down here. And then with a little detail brush, I'm just going to kind of blend those into each other. And maybe a swirl just a little. I forgot to say it, but I did do a 60-second cure. I would recommend at this point, I'm going to use my blooming gel, but you can just use base coat, and you want it really, really thin. You don't want it very thick at all. You just want to make sure your whole nail is covered. So for sure, like, paint it on and then just wipe off as much as you can. Or, you know, don't get it that thick to begin with. And then I'm going to use Riverwalk. I'm just going to put a little bit of that down. It's almost white. Perfect white's fine. Any white is fine. And then I'm going to put that on my brush and kind of pull it out so it's not too heavy. And right along the water edge, I'm just going to put some white. And then I think I'm going to put a little bit up here so that it looks like a wave breaking. Just a little bit of a beachy, and then you can kind of pull a little bit of that white down into the sand. I have She Modern Black Opaque Sticky Stamping Polish, Madame Glam's Art Gel Stamps 2. Yeah, I'm just going to put it across like this. So I really kind of like that. So I take a little bit of acetone on a brush, and I'm just going to lighten that up. I could have just done this. Excuse me, I'm recording here. Stop driving by my house. I could have just put a little black on there and kind of did a little smudge across there, because I think that that's just too much. Just want a little bit. That's better. Okay, I like that. Top a coat. No wipe top coat. Ooh, that is so cute. And no wipe top coat does not smear stamping, so although it does not help if you've gotten cotton fuzz in your polish. Duh. Then I took just a little bit of the white and made some little lines across just here and there, so I could just make a little bit of a puffy cloud And I just wiped my brush off and then went back along the line that I made and just kind of puffed it out a little bit so it looked kind of like a little clouds floating by, or maybe peaks in the water farther out. And then I took a little bit of the gold flaky top coat and kind of put a little bit of gold down in the beach part on the sand. And that wasn't quite enough sparkle for me. I didn't want to do the whole nail. So when I went ahead and cured that, I cure in between everything. And I decided that over this top coat, once again, I put No Wipe top coat on, and I just picked up a little bit of glitter, just loose glitter that was white, and kind of sprinkled it on along the water break just to give it a little more dimension. I mean, that's totally optional, but I just thought that looked really cute. And then I cured that for 60 seconds. I mean, if you ever have any question, just do 60 seconds. Generally, I kind of do, if it's sheer, 30, and if it's opaque, 60. And then I went ahead and put some little birds up there, a couple of birds. And I think they turned out really cute. I love these. The colors are beautiful. They are very versatile. So even though they're a little sheer, it's really not that sheer. 3 coats is definitely going to be opaque, and over another color, they look so pretty. So I put them over that white. They look gorgeous. All right, you guys, that's all I have. Thanks for joining me, and stay tuned for some fun video. The lizard friend, you need to go that way. To the outside. Oh my goodness. What cute little lizard friend you are. Oh, Lucas would love you. What are we going to do with this lizard, Penny? Go that way. I know, friend. Oh. Oh. I should have just picked it up. There he is. Okay. I mean, I don't really care that he's in the house. He'll eat bugs. He's pretty red colored, isn't he? You're in the sun. There he is.